From the land of Statue of Unity to the Statue of Liberty. This journey isn't just about exploring America, it's about a dream, the Indian dream. A journey with friends, inspiration, and moments that echo the spirit of chasing the Indian dream. Join me today as I embrace the spirit of ambition that drives us all, reminding us that no dream is too big. It's all about chasing an Indian dream in the USA. It's all about being the select one.
Flight SA975 has been delayed.
Last call passengers flying to California via Dallas, Delaware, bound for.
Our path begins at the seat of democracy, the Capitol Hill. As we take the glimpse, the heart of the American governance, where ideals of freedom and liberty are born and nurtured. Standing before the Thomas Jefferson Memorial, reflecting upon the values that shape nations, and the Lincoln Memorial, where we remember the enduring power of unity. Walking through the White House, the US Treasury Building, and the towering Washington Monument are tributes to a nation's strength, where history meets the present. At the Korean and Vietnam War memorials, I felt the weight, shared struggles, and unbreakable bonds. A new day, and I found myself in New York celebrating the Indian Independence Day at Times Square, where the world meets, where our culture stands proud on the world's biggest stage. An absolute proud and memorable moment for me to celebrate our Indian Independence Day in Times Square as we danced and waved with pride on the world's biggest stage, carrying our traditional culture and color in International Learning Summit, broadening my perspectives and to hoisting our tricolor. As I chilled around on a cruise and appreciating the nature around, I found myself reaching out to the Statue of Liberty, a beacon of hope and new beginnings. ये स्काईलाइन अच्छा लगा बहुत बहुत देखो रात को उसके ऊपर जाना है ना वो एम्पायर स्टेट हेलीकॉप्टर है ना या but it's like that 360 degree observatory बढ़िया
नाइट में ही अच्छा लग रहा है न्यूयॉर्क।
Do you know what's the easiest way to reach out to the stars? Well, just go to the Wills Tower and catch them. Marvel at the city below you and catch the stars from the observatory. And if you still can't catch them, visit the Smithsonian Air Museum. A new day began, albeit with a pause, to remember the Twin Towers, a symbol of resilience, remembrance, and survival. With my heartbeats still pounding, walked down to the New York Stock Exchange to feel the pulse of the American ambition. Not before giving a thrilling twist to my day, exploring being an international spy, where secrets are woven into every exhibit. As I step into the shadowy world of espionage, decoding encrypted messages, uncover the hidden stories that shaped history from behind the scenes. A fitting end, as in life, that begins with dreams and ends with mystery. As I wrap up this chapter and head back, I take with me a deeper understanding that the Indian dream isn't just about success or recognition. It's about staying true to who we are, celebrating the journey, and remembering that every step we take brings us closer to our purpose, whether we are in Mumbai, New Delhi, or New York. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Here's to all of us, wherever we are, chasing dreams, honoring our roots, and building bridges to a future we can all be proud of. This is me chasing the Indian dream in the USA. This is me being the select